Hello everyone, welcome back to TechGems. In today's video, I will show you how to add multiple links to your Instagram profile. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Then tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap Edit Profile. Then tap on the links. And here tap on Add Links. And paste your link into the URL field. Then enter a name for it in the title field and tap done to save it. And you can repeat the same steps to add more links. And currently Instagram lets you add up to 5 links to your profile, and if you add multiple links they will appear in the same order you added them. So keep your most important link at the top, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Tech channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.